Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear Instagram cache, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear your Instagram cache, we will be required to go to the settings of our phone and not the Instagram app itself. And after opening your settings, guys, go to app section of your phone. And after that, tap on app management button at the top of the screen. And on this interface, guys, at the top of the screen you can see the search bar. Type in Instagram, and on that, and over here you can see the Instagram up here. Tap on it and your Instagram will open. And over here, guys, in order to clear cache of your Instagram app, you can see there is the storage usage option available for us. Just below the data usage, tap on the storage usage and you will be able to find the clear cache option available for us over here. Tap on clear cache and then your Instagram cache will be cleared. And guys, this is how to clear your Instagram cache. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.